PSM Perfect Solution for Math. I am your tutor Sumant PF. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression, exercise 5.3 for the NCERT and exercise 1.3 for the KSEEB. Topic name is sum of the first n terms of an AP. In that question 15 we are going to learn today. So let us solve that. Coming to the question number 15, here we have a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So the question here they have given, it is a statement form, it is not a direct form. So when the question is statement form, just we have to check first whether they have given the AP or what. So here the contractor is there, he is putting some penalty for the delaying of the completion of the work. So here what is the penalty he is paying? First he is paying how much penalty? 200 rupees. So I will write down that 200 first over here. 200. Okay. So the first penalty is 200 for the first day. So I will take first day. The second day the penalty will not be the same. Again it is changed. It is increased to 250. Remember they have given over here 250 for the second day. Then that for the third day it is 300. So every day you can see there is an increase of penalty. Means if you think it is the fourth day, how much difference it will be? So it will be how much? 350, because they have given that each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than the preceding day, means every day 50 rupees more he is collecting. First day he is collecting 200, next it will be 250, next it will be 300, 350, 400, 450, like this way it will continue. So each day it will be 50 more. So here what we have written here, 200, 250, 300, 350 and so on, it is an AP, because if you will find the difference of it, you are going to get 50 rupees each increase per a day. So first it is 200, then 250 means 50 more, 250 to 300 again 50 more, 300 to 350 again 50 more, and the D value is here is nothing but 50. They have already given. Where they have given the D value 50? See here, 50 more than the preceding day. This is the D value. So whenever a statement for problem, then when they will give, just we have to write down, that's solve that problem. First we have to find the AP of it, then we can solve the what they have told you to find. So here what they have told you to find. See, if you will continue reading, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delayed the work by how many days? 30 days. Means he delayed the work for 30 days. So 30 days he have to pay that money. So first day 200, 250, 300, 350, so on till 30th day he have to pay some money for that, for one day. So they have told you to find total money. Total means what? 200 plus 250 plus 300 plus 350 plus so on, last 30th day value also we have to add. That we don't know, we will have to find that. So we have to add all these things, then we are going to get the total money. So what is the total money will be over here? That is nothing but, it is in AP. I have already told it is in AP. So it is nothing but S30 we have to find. Means sum of the 30 days penalty money we have to find. So this is the introduction for the question. So now we can solve it very easily because we know the AP. Already we know the AP. We know the A value. We know the D value. Also we know the N value. N value is nothing but 30. Let us solve this now. So I have already told it is the first term. What they have given over here is 200. That is AP. How to write down? AP is nothing but over here 200 is the first number. That is first day. How much you have to pay? Then the next day they have given 250, and next day they have given 300. So on, and we have to find for how many days? That is 30 days. So last it will be A30 somewhere over here. So 30 days we have to count. So here the first thing you have to do is Sn they have told you to find, so Sn is nothing but S30 they have told you to find. What is the value of that S30? So S30 when you want to find, you have to write down Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So here what is the values of this n is, value of this n is 30, because 30th term you have to find. What is the a value? A value is nothing but 200, the first term 200. And what is the d value? Already given, no need to find, directly they have given 50. So write down 50. If you don't know this, go for that 250 minus 200, first second term minus first term, a2 minus a1, then you are going to get the da value is 50, but they are already given over here 50. So now we will substitute that value. N value is 30 by 2 into 2 into a value is 200 plus 30 minus 1 into d value over here is 50. So now we have to calculate. 2 1s are 2 15s are 30. So here we are going to get 15 into 2 into 200 is nothing but 400 plus 29 into 50. So the calculation now, 15 as it is, 400 as it is, but we have to use the BODMAS rule and we have to find this 29 into 50. So how to find that 29 into 50? So you are going to go for the 0 9s are 0 2s are, then you are going for 5 9s are 5 2s are. But remember here, it is last we having here 0, so write down that 0 as it is. So 5 ones are you know table, so multiply that, 5 9s are 45. 4 is will be carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. So I will continue over here. So S30 is equals to 15 into 400 plus 140 1450. So how much it is? So it is nothing but 1850. So here we are going to get that 15 into 1850. So now we have to calculate. So if you will find that final answer, that is our S30, so how much rupees you have to pay. Contractor how much rupees you have to pay. So what we will do now, we have to do the calculation. Again, don't go with that 0 into 5, 0 into 1, 5 into 5, 5 into 1. Don't go. Directly you know that 15 on the table. Multiply that 15 on the table to this. 15 into 0, 15 into 5, 15 into 8, 15 into 1. 15 zeros are 0, that is 0 only you are going to get. Next 15 5 is how much? 15 5 is 75, so 5 will be written here and 7 will be here. So 15 8 is how much? 15 8 is 120, 120 plus 7 is a carry, 127, so 7 we will write down here, this will be 12 over here. 15 on the 15 plus 12, 15 plus 12 is nothing but 27. So 27,750 is the total amount the contractor have to pay. So lastly you can write down how much money contractor has to pay as a penalty, that is rupees 27,750 rupees the contractor has to pay as penalty. So because he delayed for 30 days. So this is the easy part of calculation, but when the statement form of the question is given, just you glance, find the AP of it. Okay, they will not give the direct AP, you have to find what is there in that. So 200 250 300 in this case. Similarly you have to find the a value, d value, then the n value is already given 30 days. See here 30 days refers to n value, because you have to find how much money it is, how much rupees the contractor have to pay. So this is all about the statement form question. Actually it is a simple question. So I think you understood this concept. Coming to the last, that is question for your work at home. Here is a question, the same question I have given, just to go through it. A contractor on the construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 500 for the first day, 560 for the second day, rupees 620 for the third day. The penalty for the each succeeding day is being rupees 60 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delayed the work by 25 days. This is the work at home. So this thing you have to solve. This much for today's video. Please support my channel PSM Perfect Solution for Math. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.